Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we'll explore the user roles section and learn how to create a new role. Let's get started. Navigate to the side menu. Under Administrator, click on Configuration. And then Roles. You will see a list of all roles displayed on the page, along with their statuses and the users assigned to each role. There is also a search bar where you can look for specific roles. You have options to archive, unarchive, or delete a role. To do this, first select the role and click on Actions. For this example, we will archive the account role. Click OK to confirm. Now, the role has been archived. You can view archived roles by filtering the list. Go to Filters. And you can choose whether to show only archived roles or include all roles. Filter and display only the archived items. You can also save your filter as a favorite by clicking on Save to Favorites. Give your filter a name, enter a title for your favorite filter, and save it for quick, easy access later. To explore the permissions for each role, simply click on the desired role. You will see all the permissions associated with that role. The super admin role has full access to the system and cannot be deleted, as it is the main role. To add a new role, click on Add at the top right. Fill in the details. Assign the necessary permissions, and your new role is all set. Then click Create at the top left. The new role has been added. When new users are added, you can assign this role to them or to existing users. That was a quick overview of how to create a new role in Invent ERP, the keystone to your business success. If you need further assistance, we are just one click away. Create a technical support ticket, and we will get back to you soon.